guys, come grocery shopping with me today. I gotta go to a few stores and get some stuff. I'm gonna do a grocery haul later and a restock, so stay tuned if you want to see that. And I love watching these kind of videos, so I thought I'd do one for you guys. First stop, Lidl. I got me a sub from Publix. I get the salami, ham, and mayonnaise. Vegetables on it. Super good. If you're at Publix, definitely try out this sub. Last stop, Aldi. Hey guys, so first up we're going to be doing Aldi haul. So I got macaroni and cheese. I got yogurts, more macaroni and cheese. I got these holiday gingerbread cookies, some cheese, some Greek yogurt. This one's really good. Got lunch meat. We got lettuce. Got some cheese for tacos, croutons. Got some carrots. Got some grapes. Chicken from Aldi. I got some beef from Aldi. Some bacon. Got some milk. Got some potatoes, some onions. Alright, next up, we're going to be doing a Lidl haul. So I got some organic avocados. I got some lemons, garlic, sweet potatoes, some apples. Got some of these puff pastry cookies. I got these, string cheese. I got a honey melon. More cheese, sour cream for tacos. Just got some butters. So now let's do a Publix haul. I'll show you guys what I got from Publix. Potatoes. Publix got some more baby carrots. Just got some sausages, maybe for hot dogs. And I got some juice for my toddler. Got some taco seasonings. I got taco shells for tacos. Some Cheez-It snacks. The fig bar, bananas, buffalo pretzels. Then I got these rolls. I got shells for tacos, mayonnaise. I got salad. And this is one of my favorite dressings. It's from Publix, or you can get it at Ingles. It's in the refrigerator section. It's a yogurt. Yeah, it's a yogurt dressing ranch, and it's super good. It's one of the best ranches that I've had. That's it. That's all I got. So this is everything I got. And now it's time to put it all away. I'm gonna try these cookies. I love gingerbread. I like gingerbread anything. Love gingerbread. I like melts in your mouth. Good.